Assalamualaikum, Ahmed here in the second class Maths Lecture 2. Today we will be doing some multiplication problems and your homework assignment will be 71, page number 71 to 73. I will be explaining some basic questions here. The rest of you have to solve them at home on your books, seek help from your tutor or your teachers or your parents. Now these questions are a little bit different from the questions that we attempted yesterday. Now the multiplicand has two numbers, so we have to check how these questions will be solved. First, here I have 4 4 6 are 24. We have to write 4 here and 2 will be carried here. 4 2s are 8 and 8 and 2 makes 10, so the product will be 104. If we multiply two numbers with 4, 26 with 4, we get 104 as an answer. Now here I have the question in which multiplicand is consisted of three numbers. We have to multiply it with a single number and find the product. Like 6 ones are 6 and 6 6 are 36. 6 will be written here and 3 will be carried to the next number. 6 ones are 6 and 6 and 3 makes 9. Now the product is 966. So that's how the questions on page number 71 and 73 will be solved. If you have any problem, seek guidance from your tutors or parents, and I hope the assignment is completed before the next video is uploaded. Until then, thank you. Allah Hafiz.